How y'all doing? Well, we're I've been sort of thinking about what kind of videos to make when it's so cold outside, and I come up with a surprise in my mailbox that EB from Florida sent me a P38 and a P51. I'll show you a close-up of them in a minute, and I'll show you how to use them right after this. Well, folks, what today's episode is about is personal can openers. And I realize that there's some people out there that don't even know how to use this particular can opener right here. This is one this happens to be on a Swiss Army knife. And I want to demonstrate how to use that. I also want to demonstrate the P38, which is this little fella right here, that any of us that's been in the military has carried on a key ring in our pockets for decades. And it has a big brother called a P51, which is a lot more substantial, a lot easier to handle, a lot easier to get a little torque on because it's a little wider and a little longer. I believe that the P38 is 1.5 inches long and this P51 is 2 inches. So it makes a substantial difference whenever you're trying to use it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom the camera in on a can of dog food for Sadie, and I'm going to demonstrate each of these and how they work. They all work the same, but I'm going to show you just the 3 of them in use. Okay. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you how to use the Swiss Army knife. In a nutshell, what happens is this little hook sort of right here grips underneath the lip of the can. And then you work it like this, and this sharp point, the sharp edge, and it is sharp. It's almost like a little round knife. This digs down into the can to open it, okay? So I just put that little hook underneath the outside, and I lift up on the back of the knife. Okay? And all I'm doing is just nibbling my way. Kind of hard for you to see with my hand in a way. But I'm just nibbling my way around this can. And when I was out to farm and having to feed all 3 of my dogs, I got to where I was actually faster with this than I was with an electric can opener. Now, this one works its way forward. Now, the P38 and the P51 actually work backwards. Now, this is normally the way you see it. It's folded up on a keychain, and this has got like a nice sharp knife edge on it. And it snaps open, and you use it like this right here, okay? And there's a little hole right here, and that fits on the lip of this can, okay? And all you do is just nibble at it backwards, cutting the can as you go. Alright? So this right here is this right here is slicing that can open. Okay? And then the P51 is just a larger version. Same deal. Got the same hole for hooking onto the lip of the can. And it's got the same knife edge. And the reason I quit carrying mine on my keychain is after a while they end up getting loose and falling open, and that sharp point starts digging into your doggone pocket, and then it starts biting you. It's sticking you in your leg. And I finally just end up taking it off my keychain, maybe putting the glove box or the ashtray of the car, whatever, and forgetting where I put it. But I want to thank EB from Florida for sending me this P51 and this P38. Brings back a lot of memories. When I was a mess sergeant, one of the experimental meals that we had was called T-Packs, and they were big sealed aluminum like TV dinners. And we had the big P51s, first time I'd ever seen them. Anyway, that's how you open a can with these personal can openers. So I hope you've learned something. You can look them up. They sell them on eBay. P38 or P51. Both of them have their advantages, disadvantages. I just want to say thank you for letting me into your home this evening, or on your phone, or wherever you're watching. If you have an idea for a video you'd like to see, send it to me. If it's something I can do handily, I'll be happy to. I've got a lot of things planned, but I tell you what, when it's 4 degrees outside, I ain't got no desire to go out that door. None at all. Y'all can laugh at you, people up north laugh at me all you want to. I'm old, I'm retired, and I don't have to go outside, so I'm not going to. Y'all have a wonderful day, and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Where's Sadie? You want something to eat? Here you go, Sadie. You want something to eat, baby? Here you go.